Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. A warm welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute Raksha Bandhan card, and I will share here how to do edge quilling work to make the portraits or any human figure. So let's get started. So here I got this huge box by Quilling Hub and I have just opened it, and I'm just showing you what all the things I got in the parcel. So I got the bunch of freebies papers, and these are super beautiful pre-cut colored cardstock strips in 5 mm. They are super gorgeous. Also I got this white cardstock which is quite thick, and I will share all the details one by one. So first thing is this white cardstock which is called ultra white premium cardstock, having 300 GSM, 12 by 12 inch in size, and this is the pack of 6 sheets. So this is very good for scrapbooking, card making or any mixed media projects. After that I got these beautiful pre-cut colored cardstock strip. These are in 5 mm and each strip is having 250 GSM thickness, and on back side of this you will get the name of the color. So this is the clay brown, this is biscuit cream, this is bright yellow, then this is light yellow, chocolate brown, royal blue, craft brown, dark orange, bright orange, beige, cherry red, red, black, navy blue, rose pink, turquoise, dark green, peacock green, olive green, baby pink, pure white, grass green, lavender, bright green and grey color. So in total they are 25 different shades, and then I will start with my portrait. So here I have this cute girl and boy sketch already done on same white cardstock which I have shown earlier, and I have given the template of the girl and boy in the description box. So you just need to download it, print it and trace it on your 300 GSM cardstock. And quickly I will just color both the figures using acrylic colors, because we are going to do edge quilling work and the glue should not be smudged with your colors. So that's why acrylics are the best, because they are waterproof and permanent. So for the skin color I have mixed red, white and tinge of yellow ochre. Then for the girl's dress I am using lavender color. For boys shirt I am using bright yellow, and for the pant I am using deep red color. For the hairs, I am using dark chocolatey brown color. And this is done. Allow it to dry completely. Then I will just separate both the figures using scissors so that when we will use glue, it will not have any glue mark on each other. So it will be better to separate them. And then for the skin color, I am here using beige color, and one by one I will outline each and every part. So just take little bit of glue on your palm, put your strip on the glue using tweezers, and then I will going to stick this around the face portion. Here I am using glue on my palm, but if you have any allergy of glue, then you can use any plastic bag in the bottom and then add glue on this bag and then use it to add the glue on the strip. And then one by one I will add all the parts. So here I am making the ears. Similarly, I am going to cover hands and legs. And this is done. Then it's time to do the hair part. So for that, I am taking the brown color strip. Then I'm just adding small pieces of strip between the hair part to make the hair lines. Like this. And then I'm starting with the shirt. For this I'm taking light yellow color. After that, I'm starting with the pant portion. For this, I'm taking cherry red color. and the outline for the boy is completely done. In the same way, I will do the outline for the girl. And after making the girl, it will look like this. She is looking very pretty. I have added small pearls for the dress and added one small flower using this flower punch on the hair. She is looking so cute. And I have done the fussy cut work with the girl after doing all the work. So here first I am adding eyes and smile with the boy, and then I will do the fussy cutting work. So the boy is also ready. Now here I am taking the card base, which measures 30 by 17 centimeters, and I have just folded this in half. Now here I am taking two big circles. One is made using gold mirror cardstock and other one is made using pink metallic pearl cardstock. So I am going to stick both the circles on the base. Like this. Then I am starting with some quilling flowers. For the yellow flower I am taking one strip of light yellow color and making one tight teardrop shape. I am joining 5 petals together and adding half cut pearl in the center. Like this. So we need 2 light green, 2 yellow, 2 light pink flowers, and these 4 flowers are made using half strip for 1 petal, and the process is same. Now taking back my card, and I am going to stick brother and sister on the base. Align it properly in the center, and then I am adding sentiment Happy Rakhi. After that I am decorating this using my quilling flowers. Then here I have prepared this cute Rakhi, which is just a paper circle. I have added one stone on this to decorate it, and from backside I have just attached one thread. Now I have these cute corner die designs, so I'm just filling all four corners using this because four corners are looking little empty. So just to cover that I'm using corners. If you don't have corner dies, you can also cover the four corners using any pattern paper. Just cut the pattern paper in triangle shape and stick it in all four corners. Then this space is looking little empty, so I'm just going to add some danglers here. I'm taking some pieces of light green color strips, sticking it like this. Then I am adding this tight coil using dark pink color, which is made using half strip, and adding one golden color paper circle on top of this. Similarly, adding two more danglers on left and right sides. And this is looking very cute. So the beautiful card is ready, and if you want to order these cardstock strips, I have given all the details in description box, you can check there. And these flowers are also made using the strips from Quilling Hub. They have huge variety in quilling strips as well, so you can check in the description box. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.